guys, today I'm here with a new video. First of all, I want to tell you guys that this video is not a paid content. I just got a parcel from an online store called Dari Mooch, so I decided to make this video. So let's just go and see what's there in their package. So guys, let's just start with this cool kind of envelope. Here is their logo, Dari Mooch. You can see here, and I'm going to open it now. Wow, here is the box, Dari Mooch. Guys, I really like the design of the box, and there is a message on the front of the box saying Dari Mooch nahi te kuch nahi. So let's just open the box without wasting the time. Wow, here is a greeting message. So let me read this for you. Greetings brother, thanks so much for your order. So let's see और क्या है इस बॉक्स के अंदर. So here is a com, and it have a logo here on the com of Dari Mooch. ये देखिए ये beard बनी हुई है, and here is the mustache. So let me open it for you guys. Here is the logo of Dari Mooch, और यहाँ पे Dari Mooch लिखा भी हुआ है here. Okay, so next we have beard balm. That's what we have. We have a wax. You can keep your beard intact. जहाँ पे आपको रखनी है, आपको जैसे जेल वर्क करती है उसी तरीके से ये वैक्स वर्क करेगी. So if you have dandruff in your beard, beard oil is the perfect solution, and also it will help to groom your beard. और हम देखते हैं कैसे help करता है ये. Next we have a beard shampoo. It will keep your beard clean. Also if you have dandruff, ये भी जो है वो आपकी help करेगा dandruff को remove करने में. और last thing is we have beard brush. So let's open this brush. This is the last thing in the box. और ये भी बहुत ही परफेक्ट ब्रश है. इसके पीछे भी जो है वो आपको दाढ़ी मूछ का लोगो नज़र आएगा. इसको हम ओपन कर लेते हैं. Here is the brush. You can use it like this. Now the box is empty, and they put this in the box, and it made the packing more attractive. And they have a website, www.darimooch.com. You can order on their website. आज की वीडियो अगर पसंद आई हो तो लाइक ज़रूर कीजिएगा एंड ऑल्सो सब्सक्राइब माई पेज। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। अल्लाह हाफिज़।